Ceramic coating offers unparalleled protection for your car's exterior, especially if you just invested in a new vehicle. The advanced coating bonds with your paint, forming a hydrophobic layer that repels water, dirt, and contaminants, keeping your car looking pristine. With its hydrophobic properties, the coating makes cleaning a breeze, while providing long-lasting protection from the elements. Look at that, the water just beads right off. The best part, the coating can last up to 10 years and is covered by a warranty when applied by a certified technician. Applying ceramic coating requires precision, and it won't perform properly if not done by an experienced professional who understands the needs of your specific vehicle. Mr. Tint is recognized for our exceptional customer service and hard work, with a team of certified specialists ready to protect your car. We specialize in everything from daily drivers to exotic sports cars, and we're experts in applying ceramic coatings for electric vehicles like Teslas and Rivians. Give us a call for a free quote.